Welcome. If you've noticed those subtle animations while typing messages on Telegram web, and you'd prefer a cleaner, distraction-free experience, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable the Message Composer animation on Telegram web using the latest update. First, open your browser and go to Telegram web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your chats, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on it to open the main menu. From here, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize your Telegram experience. Now, scroll a bit until you see the section called Animations and Performance. Go ahead and click into that. Inside this section, you'll find several options related to how Telegram looks and behaves. What we're looking for is called Interface Animations. Under that category, you should see an option labeled Message Composer Animation. By default, this setting is turned on, which is why you see those smooth movements when typing messages. If you want to disable it, simply toggle the switch off.